Welcome friends. So in this video I will be explaining the scenario what we are actually going to build. This is my Salesforce org. I'm logged in and here is one tab called accounts. If I open up this tab, if I navigate to all accounts, I see the list of accounts. Now I have around 12 accounts. So if I open up one account, I keep it here so that it should not interfere with us. And here we have two cases. You see over this area, these are cases. Cases are something like, suppose you are a Vodafone customer as like me, and someone has charged you mistakenly 100 rupee deducted from your main balance. So what you do is you call up the rep and he actually logs a case. He raises a ticket. So in Salesforce we have cases. So suppose in this account we have two such incidents and those two incidents have been logged. So what I will do is, as we are working on the Lightning, so we will be having a similar kind of app here. It will have two screens, two areas. In one area we will have the list of accounts as shown here. So it will be something like maybe a two-column section. One section will have the list of accounts and another section would be empty. So I can, in theory, come over and click on one account and the corresponding cases would be shown, right? So that would be our use case. And this is just the use case. The technicalities would involve CSS, JavaScript, and a little bit of Apex. Apex is the server-side language used in Salesforce to communicate with the database, because these are records basically, and this is the account record, and in the account record we have two related records called cases. So I have to fetch these from the database. So I would be doing that using Apex. In Visualforce we can do many things using simple JavaScript, like we have remote objects. Also we can have SOAP API calls, REST API calls. In Visualforce itself we can inject some JavaScript and call upon the database directly. But in Lightning it's not the same case. In Lightning we have something called JavaScript controller, and there is one view. This is what that you see here is the view, and I have not written any JavaScript, but I would be doing that soon. And there is then Apex. So when the view requests a data from the database, it actually relies on the JavaScript. JavaScript fetches that data by calling that Apex controller, which in then runs a query, gets the data, passes to the JavaScript, and then JavaScript hands that data back to the UI. This is how it works. This is a horrible way of doing things. I believe so, because in other frameworks like AngularJS, it's pretty easy. Anyway, so this is how it is. This is the truth. Lightning works like that. So these are the laws in that, and we would be developing our app based on those rules. Anyway, things would get clear as I keep working on the demo. I would explain you how to use CSS, custom CSS, how to use JavaScript, how to use Apex, how to set layouts. So again, winding up, I will be showing you list of accounts. It would be tiles kind of structure. Each account would have a tile, and once you click a tile, it will show the related cases. That would be our first use case. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share. Provide your feedback. Take care. Bye.